I think it kind of helps the process and may, aid everyone involved with questions from the jury. They're the triers of fact here. So how do you feel about that?
It absolutely terrifies me. I was just cringing when I heard the judge do that. It's because here's the thing: when you're whichever side you're on, defense side, prosecution side, you're dealing with this very confined universe that you're trying to present to the jury, and that's because you've argued all of these things beforehand. You've had all sorts of motions in limine talking about evidence that is allowed to be in front of the jury and not. And jurors are funny because they might get caught up in some little detail that really has nothing to do with the overall story of what happened or what didn't happen. And they get off on these tangents. And if you allow them to start kind of controlling the narrative of the trial, I could just see it presenting problems. I remember a time that I had a trial as a prosecutor, and the judge would often do this. After we had questioned the witness, the judge would go back and start asking his own questions. And it just threw everything off, and neither myself nor the defense really appreciated it. But I get what you're saying. I mean, the whole thing is the jurors are trying to be the finders of fact here, and if they have a question, then maybe they should be allowed to ask it. But the second I heard that judge say that, the hairs on the back of my neck stood up. I couldn't stand it.